interesting show of friendship on social media site X, formerly Twitter. There was M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and Rahul Gandhi. They were talking, and this was about cycling, for example. A banter that caught the eye of the BJP leader, Rajiv Chandrasekhar. And he's taunting Rahul and Stalin Bonhomi. Rahul Gandhi and Stalin were planning a cycle ride and a lunch together in Chennai. BJP Neta Rajiv Chandrasekhar threw in the jibe of 2G spectrum conman. The jibe's flying thick and fast on social media. BJP basically stating common passion for 2G spectrum and cycles. Basically, M.K. Stalin shared a video of him cycling on the streets in Chennai, and he was basically suggesting how the changes are coming in the city, specifically with these kind of bicycles that are on the streets. Rahul Gandhi then asks, what about a cycle ride together and when? That is when the BJP took a jibe, saying that, look, it's very clear they have common interests when it comes to at least these incidents. Shilpa Nair is joining me for the latest on that. Shilpa, clearly, on social media, when the politicians usually exchanging very serious political thought, this was a light banter, and BJP then jumped in on that. What happened? Give us the timeline, the chronology of the events, and why did the BJP leader Rajiv Chandrasekhar think that it's important to remind people of something else?
Well, Pooja, like you rightly pointed out, it's interesting to see light banters like these taking place on social media accounts. It started with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin posting a video of himself cycling in Chicago. He's on a foreign visit to the United States of America, and during his visit in Chicago, he was seen cycling on the roads, and he had posted that particular video. To that, Rahul Gandhi, of course, the Congress MP and leader of opposition, he, of course, took to social media and asked M.K. Stalin, when are we going to cycle in Chennai? That was the question that Rahul Gandhi asked. And in response to that, M.K. Stalin says, we can do that anytime you're free. You can come down to Chennai and we can explore Chennai city together, is what M.K. Stalin, of course, responded. And he also went on to say that after the cycling session, you can also come have lunch at my home, and I'll also give you sweets. Because remember, when Rahul Gandhi had come for the Lok Sabha election campaign here in Tamil Nadu, he had handed over a box of sweets to M.K. Stalin. So he says, I have to return that now, and I need to feed you some sweets. So why don't we do that when you come down to Chennai the next time, is what M.K. Stalin has said. So clearly a light banter there, but BJP, of course, has jumped into it. In fact, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the BJP leader, has, of course, tweeted saying that that bonding of brotherhood forged by a con man, oops, common passion for 2G spectrum and cycles. That's the jibe that Rajiv Chandrasekhar, of course, has taken, saying that both the DMK and the Congress party share a common bond, that is
clearly, Shilpa, from what you're telling us, as the visuals we look at on our screen and the reactions, that for a politician, even a light banter will have some political jibe that will come in, because that's the life of politics, and not really a light-hearted moment this time as BJP jumps in to mention the 2G spectrum aspect.